Hello, thanks for joining us with another quick wins for maths using Office 365 and Glow. This time what I'd like to show you is the ideas button. So I've got my table here, I've got my data that I've recorded from my science experiment, looking at the different plants and how much they've grown week on week. If I go up to home and I'm looking for this Thunderbolt ideas button, and what it's going to do, you can see it's working to analyse my data here, and it's got different charts, graphs, calculations using AI. I can also select the fields which are perhaps going to interest me the most. So if I'm most interested in plants in week 1, and it will show me data based on plants in week 1. But I can also ask it a question. So how many different plant names are there? There are 3 different plant names. That could be really useful if you had a lot more plants obviously in there. And I can also ask it to look for, I can sort the plants. So let's see which plant was growing the most in week 2. And it's got sunflower, tomato and buttercup. Again, really simple to read that with just a couple of entries. But if you had the whole class compiling the results, for example, ideas really starts to come into its own. So a useful wee tool. I hope that was handy, and thanks very much for joining us.